Hello everyone. Today again it was a good trending day, and if you were into it, then yeah, you could have made good money in this. So today when it started, the market started falling off, and I was waiting for it. I had since I tweaked my algo to give me a entry on a pullback only. It waited and we got an entry at 10:15 candle. So we got a good entry somewhere around here, 44, and I waited. I was like, now I have full confidence on my algo, so I let it go and let it run. And over here, well, actually, I had given a stretch target of 1%, so I was hoping that it would go to around maybe 30 or so, but then went to low was 31.50, so missed my 1% by a little bit. So then it gave me when it hit the top end over here. This is where it threw me out. So my algo performed well, both the entry and exit both at perfection, in the sense that whatever has been coded, it did exactly that, and just that I was a bit greedy and asking for a little bit more stretch target. Had I been taking profit off at my regular target, what I'm doing, then I would have got out at somewhere here itself, 35, 36 something. So, but anyway, it did give me good and got me out at a minor profit. Then over here, it again took me in again, but this time it gave me uh, you know, a long position, and I thought, yeah, maybe because it wasn't going around in a range, and this was the lower band was also coming up, so I was like, yeah, okay, Algo is doing well only, and then thought that yeah, Algo is doing okay only because it looked like it might breach the upper end and go high up, but then it kept on coming back and kept on going, and then over here at what 14:20, so 2 o'clock 20 minutes, it broke this lower band and it threw me out, marginal loss. So then afterwards at 2:30 or so, all my algo stops after 2:30. So it was a good day. Even after a lot of gyrations, I still managed to make little bit of profit. It gave me good little bit profit. Had I been with my everyday target of 0.5%, I would have got out over here and made good. Then, but anyway, this was still a good one, good day. So now I realize that Algo does very well. This is actually my learning for today, that Algo gives you perfect entry. Now for the exit, you will have to little bit be manually. You'll have to be in order to do it manually, that you will have to be smart enough and fast enough, because market is much more smarter than your algo. No mathematics, no coding can catch the volatility of market is far smarter than everybody else, and it knows exactly where the levels are. So say it just gave me missed by maybe a rupee or so, and it made me hit the stop loss. So had I been trailing manually over here, then even over here at 14:35, I would have got out. So even at 14:36, if I'd got out, I would have made more than 0.5% in this. So that I will have to look into it, or maybe I will have to get back to my, you know, earlier strategy of not being too greedy and just taking 0.5%. So that can be done. That can be looked into. So yeah, that is a learning, that when you are trying going for a stretch target, you need to look into it and trail it manually. Do not let it go only on the machine, because market is way smarter. So, and maybe when it hit 31, I could have, had I been trailing, I would have made my stop tighter and maybe got out at 32, 33 itself. so that market do not take away all the profit. Here it took away all major profit and give me very less one. So, but good one, only one and two trades and profitable, and no FOMO, no anxiety. Yeah, there was bit anxiety over here because the market when it started going too much. That's I learned today that you cannot exactly rely on this. Your mathematics and your coding and everything is okay, but then money is more important than all those things. So it's very important that you book in your profit rather than being right and let the algo be right. Algo was right, but then it took away all my profit. Yeah, so I will have to be careful about it, especially when I'm giving to stretch target. Otherwise, things are good, things are doing well. So this is a little bit more learning for today. Hopefully, you would also have made some money today. If not, try again tomorrow. Be disciplined. One strategy, one stock every day, one thing only, and I think that will make a habit, and ultimately that habit will lead you to profit. So try to do that, or do whatever you want to do as whatever is profitable and whatever suits you. Until then, see you tomorrow. Then, bye. Enjoy.